I am a member of ADC, and we are busy trying to make sure that our structures are firmly rooted, you know, from the world level, local government level, state level, up to the national level. And we are busy mobilizing people and also registering at the same time.
And what's your opinion about the zoning conversation? Will ADC be zoning to any particular region?
We have no zoning provision in the ADC's constitution. In fact, the only party that has zoning in its constitution is PDP.
Just one question from...
Your Excellency, how, sir?
No. Sir, let me give the last shot also. What is your take on the controversy surrounding the forging or the tax law gazetted and so on?
What do you expect? APC generally is a party of forgers. So what do you expect? I mean, there is nothing new there. They forge everything. They forge certificates, they forge age limit, they forge everything. So that's the hallmark of APC. Foremost is actually below the expectations of Nigerians. Nigerians who are expecting real-time electronic, transfer to the various levels of, of the elections. But what we got is a mixture of electronic and manual transmission, which is going to cause more confusion or chaos than if we have a single tier, electoral transmission system, which is real-time electronic. That would be our preference. And I think there is need for all the opposition political parties to come together to pursue this issue. I mean, we shouldn't allow it to rest where they wanted it to rest today. Absolutely not. I don't support that.
Sir, will you be contesting for the 2027 election, and why are you here in Mina today?
Is it the first time that you are seeing me here? Certainly not. I have always come here to pay my respects. The issue of contesting 2027 election does not even arise.
Yeah.